Welcome to our review of the MSI Pulse GL66. This is Amjad from Gadget Middle East. In this review, we cover the MSI Pulse GL66 laptop, and we're going to take you through what the laptop has to offer. The MSI Pulse GL66 is the company's latest mid-range gaming laptop featuring Intel Tiger Lake Edge processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics. The packaging comes with the MSI Pulse GL66 laptop, 1800 watts power brick and the power cable, along with the manual and the warranty. Let's talk about the design, build and the quality. The MSI Pulse GL66 comes with a titanium gray color with a laser etched MSI logo on the lid. The logo is in all black, staying away from the MSI's traditional red. The lid is made of aluminum and the rest of the chassis is made of plastic. The hinges hold the lid firmly and the lid can be opened with a single hand without any issues. The 15-inch matte display has a thin bezel that houses an HD webcam and microphone. The MSI Pulse GL66 is equipped with a good set of ports on both sides. Speakers are on both the left and right side, and there is a wide ventilation grille at the bottom of the laptop. The chassis is quite rigid and feels solid. The weight of 2.25 kg, the Pulse GL66 is quite portable and can be easily carried around in a laptop bag and a backpack. The Full HD 1920 by 1080 15-inch screen uses an IPS panel with a refresh rate of 144 Hz and color coverage of about 95% sRGB. On the top bezel is a Full HD webcam capable of recording at 30 FPS and dual microphone. Although there is noise in poorly lit environment, the camera quality is generally good. The screen displays good color and the maximum brightness is good enough for well-lit room, but rather difficult in bright outdoor environment. The viewing angle are glare-free and comfortable. The MSI Pulse GL66 has a single-zone RGB LED backlight back keyboard. The RGB can be customizable via MSI Dragon Center and the intensity can be adjusted. The keyboard layout is standard and comes with a dedicated numpad. The typing experience is good and the keys are so soft. Even though there are no dedicated buttons for quick shortcuts, the function key can be used for this. The trackpad is smaller than standard but comfortable and precise. In terms of performance, our test model is equipped with a Generation 11 Intel Core i7 10800H processor with 8 cores and 16 threads and a maximum clock frequency of 4.6 GHz. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics with 6 GB GDDR6 VRAM and 16 GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, which can be further upgraded to 64 GB. For storage, there is 1 TB of M2 NVMe PCI SSD on board with an additional M2 expansion slot. Graphics is powered by a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU for laptops, so far with improved ray tracing and tensor cores. In terms of cooling, the MSI Pulse GL66 uses the most extensive version of the Cooler Boost 5 technology. There are a total of 6 copper heat pipes that distribute the heat through the 2 fans. 2 of them focus on the CPU while the others on the GPU. However, temperature can get a little bit high on the load and get a bit warm when gaming. Fan noise is quiet on idle, but audibly even on slight load. The Pulse GL66 has a surprisingly small battery, 53.5 WHR battery for a gaming laptop. On a full charge based on the usage and screen brightness, laptops last between 2 to 4 hours when browsing the internet. So you can expect around 3.5 hours of battery time. In terms of audio, there are 2 2.5 watt speakers powered by Nahimek and is a high-res certified. The sound is a decent quality, but as with most gaming laptops, we recommend using a headset. In conclusion, the MSI Pulse GL66 is a mid-range affordable laptop. Although the battery life is on an average rate for a gaming laptop, it's really good laptop. I hope you enjoyed the review. This is Amjad from Gadget Middle East.